Good morning students, I am Mrs. Madhuri Nima from New Catholic Mission School, Jhabua. I am teaching class 4th Maths and today I am going to teach you chapter 5 area and perimeter. So you know what is area? Area means covered space by any object. Okay. And perimeter means around of the any objects around side, बाहर की साइड का around. जैसे listen, this is a duster, so you need to find out what is the perimeter of this duster. So it means sum of the all the side. This is given, this is length and this is here breadth. Length breadth मतलब मिस चारों साइड का क्या करना है, आपको सम करना है. सम ऑफ द लेंथ ऑफ ऑल साइड, लेंथ ब्रेथ दोनों. तो इट मीन्स पेरीमीटर. एंड एरिया मीन्स कवर्ड स्पेस बाय इट, इसके द्वारा कितना स्पेस कवर कर रहा है. ठीक है, इट मीन्स एरिया. सो लेट्स सी हियर सम क्वेश्चंस आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग हियर. सो क्वेश्चन 1, फाइंड द एरिया एंड पेरीमीटर कवर्ड बाय गिवन फिगर. So this is here irregular figure. Here irregular figure. अब आपको पता नहीं how can we find out the perimeter. So it means perimeter means sum of the all the side. Sum of the means outside. So this is figure outside here. So let's see how can we find out this perimeter. First we will start from this border, outside border. ये outside. Okay, so if you want to this figure it with a colorful ribbon, decorate with colorful ribbon. So what is, how many centimeter need to ribbon? So first need to find out perimeter. So here let's see here first how many square given here. Here 1 square and 2 square. So this is 2 square. Then after that here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is right here 9 square. Okay. Then here the downside here how many square? 1 and 2. So this is here 2 square. Then downside here how many square? 1. Then here this is also count 1 square. This type here 1 square. Then 1, 2, 3. So here this is here 3 square. Then here downside here 1, 2 and 3. This is here 3 square. Then here 1 and 2 square. Now here downside here 1 means outside. Here 1 square. Then downside here this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 square. Now here then this 1. Then here upside 2 square. 1 and 2. Then here 1, 2, 3. Here 3 square. Then here after that here 1, 2, 3 square. And here this 1 square and downside here 1 square. So total. So need to find out outside boundary. इसके जितनी भी outside boundary need to count. Need to add. So here how to find out here perimeter. First 2 plus 9. 2 plus 9 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 5 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, so total square need to count. So here 2 plus 9 11, 11 2 13, 14, 15 and 3 18, 18 3 21, 23 24, 20 29 and 29 and 2 31 and 31 and 3 34, 34 and 3 here 34 and 3 37 and okay once again 2 and 9 2 and 9 11, 11 2 13, 14, 15, 15 3 18 18, 3, 21, 22, 21 and 2, 23 and 24 and 29 and 30 and 2, 32 and 3, 35, 35 and 38, 39 and 40 square unit. So total, what is the perimeter here? Perimeter is equal to 40 square unit. 40 square centimeter. Okay, so this way count here, find out perimeter. Now need to here find out area. You know, area means inside cover. If covered, any object by inside. अंदर की साइड का जो फाइंड करते हैं वो क्या है? एरिया. सो हियर हाउ मेनी स्क्वायर यूनिट इनसाइड? सो हियर 1, 2, 3, 4. How many square here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 square. Okay, so this is 19 square centimeter. This is area. So this way we can find out area and perimeter. So you know how can find out perimeter and how can area? Perimeter means outside body, around the figure, around the object. Given outside, around the object. And area means inside covered area. Now here second question, find the missing length. Find the missing length. So here given figure, find the missing length. Perimeter given here 31 centimeter. You know what means perimeter? Perimeter means sum of the length of all the side. Here what's 4 side given in this picture? 6 centimeter, 11 centimeter, 9 centimeter. But here don't given measure here number 4th side. So need to find out what is the length of 4th side. So you know perimeter means sum of the length of all the side. So that's why total of 3 lengths, 1, 2 and 3. Length of 3 length, then minus subtract total perimeter. Then after that find out the length. So here given figure here, there 6 centimeter, here 31 centimeter, so 11 centimeter and here 9 centimeter and here not given. And total perimeter given here, total perimeter is equal to 31 centimeter. So how do we find out? तो first sum of the length of all the side. Perimeter कैसे निकलती है? Perimeter is equal to sum of the length of all side. Sum of the length of all side. Sum of the length of all side plus 6 centimeter plus 11 centimeter plus 9 centimeter. Okay, so what is the total here? 6 plus 11, 17 and 17 and 9 is equal to 26. Total length here how many centimeter? 26. 6 plus 11, 17 and 17 and 9 is equal to 26. So और एक और लेंथ करेंगे तब अपन प्लस करते तब टोटल आता है पेरीमीटर. व्हाट इज द पेरीमीटर? 31 centimeter. But here so we need to total perimeter already given here. Okay, so we will subtract total perimeter minus length of 3 side. So here total perimeter 31 centimeter minus 26 centimeter. Okay, 31 minus 26 words? 31 minus 26 is equal to 5 centimeter. So what is the length of third side here? 5 centimeter. So understood? This way you can find out the given missing length. How can we find out missing length? First we given sum of the length of all the given side, then after subtract with perimeter के साथ आपको क्या करना है, subtract. Now here third figure write the area. अब आपको इसका एरिया फाइंड करना है. How do you find out this area? So you know area. How can we find out area? Inside covered space. So here inside is surface here. How many square? So for that here irregular figure. It means here half, some here given half square and here some full square. So is in this figure how can we find out the area? So for that first we will count the full square. Okay. So here first we count here full square, then after that here half square. Okay. So first we'll count here full square. Area is equal to area first full square, then plus half square. Half square means 1 upon 2 square. Okay, so here full square, how many full square given here? So here full square given here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll write here full square means पूरे भरे हुए, पूरे full को क्या बोलेंगे 1. So how many full square here? 6. Okay, then after that plus 1 and half square. How many 1 and half square? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 half square. So we'll write here 1 upon 2 multiply by 4 square. Okay. Then second step we'll multiply full square कितने हैं 6. 6 ones are 6. Then here half square कितने हैं? How many half square? 4. So we'll divide it by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. तो ये अब आपके बन गए 4 half square के कितने? 2 square. So here 2. Then after that 6 plus 2 equal to 8 square. Okay. So what is the area of given this picture? This area given this picture is equal to 8 square unit. So this way we can find out area and perimeter. Okay. So let's see some questions on the RPDF. Okay. Let's see here students about area and perimeter. So perimeter I already explained now. What is perimeter? The total length of the boundary of an object. This is object. Total length of boundary of an object is known as the perimeter. For example, the perimeter of a field is the total distance one has to walk once along its boundary. If you see like this a field, it means outside boundary. Here 5 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 5 centimeter and here 10 centimeter. So total outside boundary covered this field. So this is perimeter. So the perimeter of the doormat 5 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 5, 10, 5, 10. Total sum of the all the side. So here total 5, 10, 15, 5, 20 and 10, 30 centimeter. Now here this is irregular shape. So this irregular object, how do you find out the perimeter? So total given here, how many square this? 9 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 9 square. Now here how many square? 1, 2, 3. Outside boundary count. Don't count inside. Okay. For perimeter we'll count outside square. So here outside 9 square, 3 square, 4 square centimeter. Here 8 square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 square. Then here 5 square. Then here 11 square. So total perimeter this way we can find out. Now here this given figure, how to find this given figure perimeter. So for finding out perimeter, what? First sum of the length of all the side. So here how many side given here? 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 side. Okay, so first perimeter, sum of the length of all the side. How can we write here? Sum of the length of all the side. So here what is the first side here? 7 centimeter. First we'll write 7, then 5 plus 5 centimeter plus 3 centimeter. 7 centimeter, then 6 centimeter, then 4 centimeter, then here 3 centimeter, then after that 5 centimeter. So what is the total perimeter of this figure? 25 centimeter. Now exercise, find the perimeter of each of the following shapes. So how can we find out the perimeter of given following shapes? So sum of the length of all the sides. So here this given figure here plus sum of the length of all side 5 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 7 centimeter. So what is the total perimeter of given figure? 5, 3, 8, 8, 5, 13 and 13 and 7, 20 centimeter. So this is outside boundary. Okay, कितनी लाइन है बाहर के साइड, कितने लंबी लाइन है ये? Total 20 centimeter. Now this figure here 5 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 1 centimeter, or this is 1 centimeter. Then here this is the 1 centimeter, this 1 centimeter, and total this line 2 centimeter, and this 1 centimeter and 5 centimeter. So total the sum of the length of all the side here 20 centimeter. How can first once again this length given 5 centimeter, this is 4, this is 5 and this is जो down side है ये 1 and जो छोटा corner दिख रहा है corner also will be count 1. Then total from here to here this 2 centimeter and again this small line here 1 centimeter and here this is downside 1 centimeter and this is fine. So this way we can find out the total perimeter of given figure. Now here find the missing length. मैंने अभी आपको बोर्ड पे एक्सप्लेन किया है. So first perimeter 10 centimeter, 9 centimeter, don't know what is the length of given figure. So first sum of the both the side 10 centimeter and 9 centimeter, 10 plus 9, 19. Then subtract 35 centimeter. 35 minus 19 is equal to 16 centimeter. This is length. So this way you can solve this picture. Now here area. So you know what is the area? So area, the amount of surface covered by the amount of surface region covered by any object. किसी भी अब ऑब्जेक्ट के द्वारा अगर जितनी प्लेस को रखना घेरना है, ठीक है, कवर्ड बाय एनी ऑब्जेक्ट, इट कॉल इज नोन एज ए एरिया. ओके, वंस अगेन द अमाउंट ऑफ सरफेस कवर्ड बाय एनी ऑब्जेक्ट. अमाउंट ऑफ सरफेस किसी भी चीज के द्वारा कोई ऑब्जेक्ट के द्वारा जैसे स्केल कवर्ड हियर. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द स्पेस कवर्ड बाय दिस स्केल? इट मीन्स एरिया. कितनी स्पेस को, कितनी जगह को घेरना है, इट मीन्स एरिया. सो हियर फाइंड द एरिया एंड द पेरीमीटर कवर्ड बाय ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फिगर. So just now I explain this picture. Okay, so how many, what is the area of given this picture? Area equal to 9 square centimeter and perimeter is equal to 40 centimeter square. Now here write the area, write the covered by the following figure. So here write the area covered by following figure. So here first we'll count here full square 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 is square. So we'll write 6 is square and 1, 2, 3, 4. Half is square. How many half is square here? 4 half square. It means 4 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. So 6 plus 2 is equal to 8 square unit. So this way you can find out the area. Now rules for finding out the area by counting the squares. Now irregular shape, some squares full square colored and some half filled and some less than half and some more than half, and in this condition how can we find out the area? So here let's see here area. First this is given figure. Okay, so in this figure first we'll see how many square will full colored, how many square half colored filled, and how many square less than half filled, and how many square filled more than half. So here complete filled square. So how many complete square filled in this figure? For complete filled here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many square complete filled in this figure? 10 square complete filled. And here yellow color filled half square showing. Okay, so how many half square showing here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 filled half square. Okay, then after that more than half, मतलब आधे से ज़्यादा कितने कलर फिल किए? So here more than half only one with blue color showing here. So more than half filled square 1. So then after that less than half filled square 1. ये आप दिख रहा है आधे से कम. Okay, आधे से कम स्क्वायर कितना है? 1. So for finding out this type of figure will add, ये will add completely filled square, half square filled और more than half square filled, and ignore मतलब ignore less than half, आधे से ज़्यादा आधे से कम जो फिल है उनको क्या करना, अपने को छोड़ देना, इग्नोर करना. Okay, no need to count. So first we'll count here total area. So in this figure how can we find out total area? So total area equal to first number of complete square filled. So number of complete square, then plus half square, then plus number of more than half filled. Okay, so here number of complete square filled, how many complete square filled here? 10 square. So we'll write here 10 square completely filled. Then after that how many square half square filled in this picture? So in this picture half colored filled here 4 square. So we'll write here 1/2 multiplied by 4. Then after that more than half filled square, more than half filled square. So how कितने हैं more than half square filled here? 1. So we'll write here 4 plus 1. Then लेस देन हाफ विल इग्नोर, लेस देन हाफ को आपको प्लस नहीं करना. तो आफ्टर दैट एड ऑल द स्क्वायर. So 10 write as it is. Then after that 4 divided by 2. Why will divide? Because 4 square कितने हैं? हाफ. तो उसको आपको कंप्लीट बनाना, कंप्लीट पूरे बनाना है तो उसको क्या करना है? So for that will divided by 2. So we'll divide here 2. 2 2s are 4. So ये 4 square के कितने square हो गए? 2. Then after that here more than half filled here 1. So total square 10 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 13 square centimeter. So this way we can find out the area of irregular shape covered irregular picture, find out area. Okay, so how can we find out? First we'll count complete square filled, then after that less than half, after that half square filled, then after that more than half filled, and no need to count लेस देन हाफ. लेस देन हाफ को आपको क्या करना है? छोड़ना है और फिर उसके बाद सबको प्लस करके फाइंड आउट एरिया. Now find the area covered by the following figure. So in this picture you will first count to completely filled. Okay, then after that more than filled, half than filled, then after that more than half. This is completely filled, this is half figure, here this is showing half figure, and this picture, this field is showing here more than half, and ignore this is less than half. So ignore less than half. So this way you can count, you can find out the area of given this picture. So this question is your homework. You can solve 4 questions in your homework. So students, you know how can we find out the area and perimeter. So do practice again and again. Okay, and draw watch in our before chapter, previous chapter watch. So you will draw watch and find the area and do practice. Thank you.